These are the 3 best features of the upcoming DJI Mini 3. We know the exact specifications of the Mini 3 thanks to a drone retailer in the Netherlands who showed them all online. You can see all the specs here, so pause the video if you would like. But in this video, I'm going to concentrate on these 3 features and explain why they're important for you as a drone hobbyist or professional drone pilot. Hi, my name is Brett Garamella. Hope you're having a great day. On my channel, I do my best to skip all the fluff and give you just the important stuff about drone news, reviews, and tutorials. So consider clicking on the subscribe button and bell notification so you can get all my new videos when I release them, which is every Saturday morning. Now, whether you are a new or old subscriber, I sincerely appreciate your support. Now give me your full attention because I will be discussing the 3 best features of the Mini 3. Number 1 is the battery life or flight time. With a normal battery, you will get up to 34 minutes of flight time, but remember, 34 minutes of flight time would be flying at a slow speed in ideal conditions. So expect in the high 20 minutes of flight time. Now DJI will also offer a bigger battery called a Battery Plus, which will give you up to 47 minutes of flight time. But before you jump out of your seat, keep in mind that the drone will weigh more than 249 grams with this Battery Plus. So it kind of defeats the point of having a sub 249 gram drone. As many of you know, the Air 2S has very bad flight time in real world tests. You can see a video I made about it up here. Now this new battery flight time should exceed the Autel Nano Plus's up to 28 minutes of flight time, but only real world tests will give us an accurate answer. So nevertheless, I can almost guarantee the flight time will be better than DJI's Air 2S. The second best feature of the DJI Mini 3 is D-Cine-like mode. Now as a filmmaker, I love the look of DJI's D-Cine-like mode, which is why I preferred the look of my DJI Phantom 4 Pro over my Mavic 2 Pro. I just ended up using the Mavic 2 Pro due to its smaller size and 10-bit log video. The Mini 3 appears it won't have log video, but D-Cine-like mode should still give the cinematographers the character and colors that look much better than normal color style. I've gotten some people who rave about Autel Nano Plus's sharpness, but keep in mind that if a drone camera sensor has too much sharpening, it can give off an artificial look with too much aliasing and moire. But that's for another video. Now I'm excited about this D-Cine-like mode as I suspect its colors will look better than the Autel Nano Plus and comparable with the Air 2S. The third best feature of the Mini 3 is shooting vertical and horizontal videos and photos. This feature is called True Vertical Shooting. This will be incredibly useful for displaying your work on social media sites like Instagram, which by the way was your favorite social media site other than YouTube in a recent poll I did on my channel. But sites like TikTok and others are moving to vertical videos because so many people love consuming content on their cell phones. So there should be a button you can press that will rotate the Mini 3's gimbal, allowing you to take vertical videos and photos, giving it a leg up on its competitors. Cool. What do you think of these features? Based on what we know so far, did DJI outdo the Autel Nano Plus? Is it worth getting the Mini 3 if you already have a DJI drone? These are some questions I have and will read and respond to all your comments below, so let me know what you think. Also, down below in the video description, I have some helpful links for my favorite drone gear and free tutorials to dramatically improve your drone shots, so check it out down below. I'm Brett Garamella, have a good day and night, and remember, fly like a pro.